So, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, how are you, children? I hope you all are fine and you all are listening well. My classes that are English. So, children, so we have completed till yesterday, that is 11 lessons. How many lessons? 11 lessons. So, yesterday, as free as bird, we have learned. So, here also, the lesson we have been completed. So, how he has been a bird, how he saved Siddharth. So Devdutt has been so every lesson is so precautious, chala important manaki. So today also the lesson number 12 is, that is honey maker. So what is meant by honey? Tena. So maker means who will make the honey? The honeybee. So here what the honeybee is doing, we will once go through the lesson. Honey maker ante tenani ela ready chestundo, how the honey will make. Okay, honey is the oldest known sweetener used by humans. So everyone know what is meant by honey. So honey enduku use chesaru, adi enduku tena chala sweet ga untundi. So many people morning you will take the honey in the hot water to glow their face, and next in the jams, as well as they will eat in the ginger, allamu plus tena kalpukoni tintaru. So they are used in the sweets. It is a very sweetest. So it is a sweeter. So they used to eat this one, humans, mostly human beings. Honey is the natural sugar made by bees. It is a natural sugar made by bees. So I told for you honey bees, they will made by honey. Among it may be benefits. Honey is one of the easiest food for our body to digest. Honey, why we will take honey? Because it is a digestion of a food. How it will be digested by us. So it is a easiest food for our body. It is our easiest to our body to digest. It has been known to claim a cough and a sooty sore throat. So here what he is telling, it has been known, claimed of cough, so and sooty, a sore throat. It is a sore throat, it is a useful. It is also known as for its ability to kill bacteria. So it is a ability to kill bacteria also. Honey is the most important, one of the important one. So here children, you all are listening what is meant by honey. So honey is the most, it is a very sweetest, and most of the honey from where we will get honey bees. From where we will get honey? So from where we will get honey? From honey bees. So who will make honey? Honey bees will make the honey. So this is the honey maker. So next, it is the easiest food to digest. Mana yoka body lo easiest. It is a easiest food to the digest. What is that? It is a honey. So again, so it has been known, claimed. So here you are seeing the picture, children. So it is looking for you. It is looking or not? Here the honey is making. Honey bees are there. Tene tatta ani antaru Telugulo. Tene tatta they will tell. Tene pattu or tene tattu they will tell. So in Telugu, it is a honey maker. Honey maker and honeybee will make the honeys. Honeybees will make the honey. So this is known as honey maker. So here, it also ability to kill bacteria ni champadaniki deeniki capability is there. So where is the natural wonder made? So here where is the natural wonder made? A honeybee colony has to have a honey in order to survive. So here a honeybee colony has a honey to order the survey. So here honey is made to store in a hive. So here he is storing in a hive. Worker bees bring nectar to the water to hive. So here they will bring from the nectar to the honey. So to the water to the hive. These are most important ingredients for making honey. These are the what are the main, what is the main ingredients to make honey? Stored in a hive. Next, work brings from nectar and water to hive. So these are the main to make a honey. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా కర్రీ చేసే ముందు ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ చూపిస్తారు, అలానే హనీ మేకర్కి కూడా ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ అనేటివి ఇది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అని చెప్తున్నారు. దే ఈవెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్పెషల్ సాక్స్ that have grown on their back legs called pollen sacs. So they have back legs that are main special sacs that are very grown back legs called pollen sacs for carrying nectar. So to carry the nectar they have special legs that are known as pollen sacs for carrying the nectar. So these are the pollen, pollen, to carry the nectar. So this is most important to that. So it is a pollen sac. So the bees then add an enzymes. So here again the bees will be added to the enzymes. Next to the nectar. So here they are adding the enzymes to the nectar. And enzymes is a chemical made inside of living things. So what are enzymes? Inside of the living things. Who are living things? We are human beings are living things. Whatever living things are their animals. So they have enzymes in the body. Inside the in the chemical made inside of a living things. The enzymes that are made by bee body with the mixed nectar and change into honey. So these will be chemical be changed in living things, and these enzymes are bees body will be mixed with the nectar, it changed into the honey. So the honey is full ripened after 3 days. It was ripened after 3 days. So honeybees make honey to eat to stay alive and healthy. So honeybees make honey to eat. So why they makes to eat and to stay alive and healthy. To stay alive ante bratakaniki healthy ga undadaniki they will be did it and they will be eat it. Since honey is beneficially to the human too. Beneficially human too. People have learned to raise honey bees. Bees farmers called beekeepers will take care of large hives with millions of bees so that they can collect the honey. So here that is beneficial ante chaala benefit anamata for the humans too. People have learned to raise honey bees. Bee farmers means who will keep the honey bee full of the honey bee. farmer ante ippudu etla rice etla farming chesaru alane bee farmer also is there. He is called beekeepers will take care of. They will take care of large number of hivers, millions ante konni millions of the honeys they will take care and they will collect the honey. So this is a short lesson, that is honey maker, how the honey is how they will make the honey. So here you are looking in the picture how it is making the honey, how it makes from the honeybees, how they will make the honey. So this is a small lesson he given, just deeply small explanation. Oka tene ela vastundi manaku tene తీగల వల్ల తేనె తీసుకొచ్చి దాని నోటు నుంచి దాని వెనక లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయంట, ఆ నెక్టర్తో పట్టుకొచ్చి తేనెని మనకు ఇస్తుందంట. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది అంటే అవి ఒక హివీస్తోని నెక్టర్తోని అది తీసుకొని వచ్చి అక్కడ హనీ తేనె అనేది పెడుతుందంట. ఆ తేనె అది కూడా తింటుంది. మనకు కూడా తేనె అనేది చాలా హనీ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువ డైజెషన్కి ఇంపార్టెంట్. మార్నింగ్ అవర్స్ చాలామంది జింజర్ అంటే అల్లం తేనె కూడా వేసుకొని తింటారు. కొంతమంది హాట్ వాటర్లో కలుపుకుంటారు, కొంతమంది బ్రెడ్కి యూస్ చేస్తారు, కొంతమంది చపాతీ. సో ఇది వెరీ స్వీటెస్ట్ అంటే చాలా స్వీట్నెస్, దీంతో చాలా స్వీట్నెస్గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి అది ప్రతి దాంట్లో యూస్ చేస్తారు. So here we have been completed children. Now we will move to the summative and formative assessment. So this is the summative formative assessment, bit number 1, and this is the page number 58 and 59. So 58, 59 are the page numbers. Bit number 1. Which sentence about honey is not true? Which sentence says హనీ ఈజ్ నాట్. టిక్ ద కరెక్ట్ విచ్ ఈజ్ అంటే ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఇందులో అబౌట్ హనీ, హనీ అంటే తేనె గురించి కరెక్ట్ కాదు, నాట్ ట్రూ. హనీ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ టు క్లెయిమ్ అండ్ కాఫ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రైట్. హనీ కెన్ మేక్ హెడేక్ గో అవే, నో. హనీ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ టు మేక్ సోర్ థ్రోట్ ఫీల్ బెటర్, honey can kill bacteria. These three are right. The B option is wrong. The first one is B. Honey can make a headache go away. It is not correct. So this is the first one. So next, second one is, how do honeybees carry nectar back to the hive? So this is second one. I will write the answer. So I will take from the key book answer and I will write for you. The second one, honey, how it carries the nectar back to the hive. Okay. How it carries. The second answer is honeybees carry nectar back to the hive in a special sacs that have grow on their back legs called pollen sacs. So this is the second one. Question is the second question to the answer. So here first one is B, honey, how it comes. And second one is the second one is how the honeybee carries nectar back to hive. So first, second I have wrote here, children. So I will move to the third one. So here bitwise I am writing, second bit also I wrote here. So next we are going to the third one. What is the other purpose for writing this passage? So what is the other purpose? So to tell an entertaining story about bees making? No. To tell readers how honey is made? So yes. So these two readers to become a beekeepers? No. To describe the life cycle of honey? So the B one is the right one. To tell readers how honey is made. This is the fourth one. So the third one to be telling about how the honey is made. The fourth one is complete the graphic organizer. So organizer is telling to the complete. So three things to be used to make honey. So three things are there: hive, nectar, enzymes. So these are the three things he is asking to write here. So here third one completed. So fourth one I will write here. Three things. So first one is nectar. The first box is nectar. The second one is nectar hive. The second one is enzyme. The another box is enzyme. So the third box is coat. So another one is clarified water. The third one is water. So nectar, water, enzyme. The three are the things that have been used to make the honey. So enzyme, water, nectar. So this has been completed, the bit number 4. Next bit number 5. Write the words from the passage. So here he given a passage. We have to write, see here children, dashes. He given a passage as well as he is telling to write for us. What he is asking to write? He is asking to write for us. What he is asking? He is giving the first one is dash dash z dash dash e. So first I will write the question. So a chemical made inside a living thing. So this is the first one. So first one, what is done? It is a made inside ante manam chadivam, inside of a living, it is enzyme. ENZYME. So enzyme. So this first one is that one. So the second one is a chemical dash 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 L dash H dash. So opposite of sick. Sick के opposite ఏంటి healthy. HEALTHY. The dash is healthy. The third one is dash 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 T dash A dash. So here sweet liquid found in plants. So which one? Nectar. In the sunflower we will know it. So this is a nectar. So these are the 3 enzyme, chemical made inside of living things, health is the opposite of sick, nectar, sweet liquid found in plants. So these are the 5 bits. He given a short lesson. It is a very very short lesson. Chala chinna lesson you are seeing in the textbooks. Short lesson is there. So he given only 5 bits. So I have been completed this one also. That is 12th lesson about honey. So you also listen carefully. This is a honey. Honey ante meeku already nenu cheppanu tena. So here he is giving about honey. This is only a lesson about how the honey bees are coming. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది హనీ మనకు తెలియాలి, ఎట్లా వస్తుంది, దేని ద్వారా వస్తుంది, హనీ బీ ద్వారా వస్తుందా లేదంటే ఫ్యాక్టరీలో తయారు చేస్తున్నారా. మోస్ట్లీగా అయితే ఫ్యాక్టరీలో రెడీ చేసిన ఫస్ట్ తేనె హనీ బీ వల్లనే అది అవుతుంది. దాంట్లో ఇంకేమైనా కలిపేసి మనకు రెడీ చేసి బాక్సెస్లో పంపిస్తున్నారు. ఫ్రెష్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద నెక్టర్. అంటే మన యొక్క తేనె తట్టు ఉంటుంది, తేనె తట్టు వి విల్ ఇట్లా పిండుతుండే అప్పట్లో. దే యూస్ టు గివ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ హనీ బీస్ అన్నీ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత దాంట్లో నుంచే తీసి మనకు ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళంట. సో హియర్ ద షార్ట్ లెసన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ చిల్డ్రన్. సో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ఆల్సో గ్రామర్. Further classes I will explain you grammar from starting to oval words, noun, what is the parts of speech, everything I will explain for you. So in the previous last year also I explained you. So that is 2018 నుంచి 19 వరకు కూడా మీకు మధ్యలో నేను అన్ని ప్రతి ఒక్క క్లాస్ చెప్పాను. బట్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ దట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ వర్బ్స్, నౌన్స్, ప్రొనౌన్స్, అడ్జెక్టివ్, పాజిటివ్, నెగిటివ్ డిగ్రీస్, పాజిటివ్ సబ్జెక్ట్, నెగిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ అన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి. సో వన్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ 15 lessons I will slowly for you I will explain the parts of the speech, that is grammar part. So now I will leave my class. Thank you children. Thank you very much to listen my words, and you also listen your parents' words. If you are not having books, you are not having textbooks, please take textbooks, because with the help of textbook only I can also explain you. So with the help of textbook you can also be read very easily. Thank you very much.